Okay, alright, well, that's kind of focus. There, that's more in focus. We're testing out a new mic today, and we're turning off autofocus. We're setting it to manual, and I think that will fix our audio issues. It was bugging me, and it was also bugging some of you guys. Got a comment on the last cooking video that the shutter noise was kind of distracting. That was thanks to the autofocus. But for now, I think this will probably solve the issue because the lens is no longer moving on its own. So we're gonna see how it goes. So this week we're going to be doing a double feature, meaning that I'm posting 2 videos at the same time, because in the last cooking video I said to let me know if you wanted chickpea noodle soup or if you wanted the cashew mac and cheese. And we got a tie. So both is what we're going to get. This video is going to be the chickpea noodle soup. That being said, let's get started. What we will need: 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion chopped fine, 3 carrots peeled and sliced 1/4 inch thick, 2 celery ribs sliced 1/4 inch thick, salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. So we've got our Bob's Red Mill nutritional yeast right here. 2 teaspoons of minced fresh thyme. If you are out of time, if you're running late, go to the store and pick up some more thyme, or you can just grab your clock off the wall and just shave some off there. 2 bay leaves, 6 cups of vegetable broth, 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas rinsed, and then 2 ounces or a half cup of ditalini pasta. So I could not find ditalini pasta. If you know where I can find ditalini pasta, go ahead and drop a comment down below. But instead I just got macaroni like elbows. 1, because I'm gonna need macaroni for the mac and cheese, but also because it's small, like the ditalini. Last but not least, you will need 2 tablespoons of minced fresh parsley. Oh, another tip that I got was from my mother. She suggested that instead of going back and forth to the trash can, just get a big bowl and throw all your trash in it and then go to the trash can once and dump it out. So that's what we're gonna do today. First, we'll go with the onion. All right, blast it around. Into the middle, top, and then we chop. No excess, just chop off. Alright, it's pretty like finely chopped. Obviously I still need to practice a little bit more. Some of these parts are not entirely chopped very well, but for now this is pretty good, and that was pretty fast. Oh man, my eyes though. My eyes are still really hurting. Oh man. Alright, so now we have our onions nice and chopped. Now we can move on to the carrots. We need 3 carrots. 3 carrots. Now we need 2 stalks of celery. We chop. so that takes care of that. All right, now we need 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. 1, 2, 3. All right, what's next? 2 teaspoons of minced fresh thyme. We'll just grab a good bunch of them. And then do our best to take all the little leaves off. These are hard to do that little trick with. Oh, that's like a teaspoon. Okay, that's not even close. So we got a little more time. Probably just use the rest of this actually. That will produce a little bit more. Alright, so basically I use like half of that little packet. If you go and buy thyme at your grocery store and it comes in a little packet like this, about half of the sprig's in there. If you shave the thyme off of your clock, I haven't tried that yet, so let me know how that goes. Alright, so 6 cups of vegetable broth. 1, 2, 3. You know, I really don't know why I'm counting these if I know that there's 4 in a container. 4. There's a little bit more than 4 in a container, so there's like 4 1/2, 5, and 6. All right, and now we have our 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas. Now for the vitamini. Alright, that is everything. We are prepped and ready to go, so I'm just going to clean up really quick and then we're going to start cooking. So, we're going to heat the oil, the vegetable oil, in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to heat that in the Dutch oven. 1, 2. Medium heat. Okay. So, we're going to heat that up until it's shimmering. Then we'll add the onions, carrots, celery, some pepper, and put that all in to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we'll add in some of the seasonings like the thyme and the bay leaves and stuff, and wait till it's fragrant. First, use the onions, the carrots, and the celery. Okay, what else? And a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Alright, I'm not going to measure this pepper. We're just going to kind of cover it. Alright, let's get the nutritional yeast, the thyme, and the bay leaves ready. Once the 5 to 7 minutes are up, we'll pop that in. Smells good. About 5 minutes. 2 more to go. And in the meantime, I'm going to go dry off some stuff because we've got another recipe that we're going to have to make soon. So I want to make sure all the dishes are clean so we can reuse them. Alright, I think we're good. So now we're going to put in the nutritional yeast and the thyme and bay leaves. These guys. Thyme. Stir that in. Can you smell it? Oh, yep. We can smell it. We need to put in the broth and the chickpeas, and then we'll bring it to a boil. Broth. Okay. And the chickpeas. Okay. Stir. Stir. Raise the heat up if you want to bring it to a boil. Alright, so raise the heat up, we're going to bring it to a boil, and then once we've done that, we'll bring the heat down a little bit, and we'll put it, partially cover it, and cook it for about 10 minutes at that heat. So let's wait till it boils. Oh, in the meantime, I'll be drying off more dishes and washing the ones I just put away. Alright, it's coming to a boil, I think. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm seeing bubbles. We're at a boil. So we're going to bring it to a simmer. Down to a simmer. We're going to partially cover it. And then we're going to let that sit there and cook for about 10 minutes. It says until flavors meld. So 10 minutes. And then we're going to add in the pasta and all other fun stuff. Alright, it was bubbling up a bit. I'm not bubbling up, but it was starting to be more of a boil than a simmer. So I lowered it down a little bit more to on the simmer setting on the dial. So we'll see how that goes. We've got about 3 to 4 more minutes. Alright, I think we're about done. That's been about 10 minutes. Okay. Now for the pasta. Raising the heat to medium-high. We're going to do that for about 10 minutes. Alright, so we've added in the pasta. We've put the heat back up to medium-high. So we're going to let that heat up for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to take the bay leaves out, and we're going to put in the parsley, put in some salt and pepper, and then we're done. It'll be good to go. Boiling. Okay. I just tried some of the pasta, and it tasted fine, so I think we're actually okay. Push the bay leaves out. Okay. Mix in the parsley. Stir it all together. And I think we are golden. So I'm gonna ladle some of this into a bowl, and then we're gonna taste test. Here we go. Oof, looks good. Do you see the steam like rising off of it? It looks pretty great, huh? Yeah. Wow. Here, get a good look. What do you think? Should we taste it? Should we taste it? I think we should taste it. All right, here we go. It's gonna be hot. Oh, hot. Yeah, that's pretty good. Ooh, you know what this needs? Crackers. We've got a multitude of crackers. We've got some that my coworkers gave me a while back. Wonderful, thoughtful people, love them. Nice little multigrain cracker. Got a nice, get on there. Shall we try a Triscuit? Oh, hot. I like the multigrain one better. And now we shall try a saltine. Here we go. Not bad. Yeah, I think it goes nicely with saltines. These, like, what's that called? I don't know, but whatever these are good too. Thank you, Chelsea and Karina, for giving them to me. Oh. I think the saltines are probably my favorite though. Just a plain cracker, yeah. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Go really nicely with this. Alright, I'm getting carried away. This was great. So, if you would like to make, well, let me, hold on. Alright, there we go. If you would like to make your own chickpea noodle soup, follow the recipe. I will also link the book as well down below if you end up purchasing it. If you have a favorite cracker that you have found you like with this soup, comment down below. Let me know what it is, where I can get it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to know when I post next. Check out the mac and cheese video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.